plain and simple. Mr. Kotak can take a bullet for Gautam Gambhir. That's why he's the batting coach, right? Few things like it was sheer bravado, as rightly mentioned it. मतलब क्या बोलना है, आप कुछ बोल रहे हो, जबरदस्ती बोल रहे हो कि गौतम के अगेंस्ट एजेंडा है. जब टीम खराब होती है तो बैटिंग कोच के को कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं करता. थ्री हिमसेल्फ अंडर द बस आल्सो, लाइक सब कुछ. एंड इट वाज वेरी अन सितांशु कोटक काइंड ऑफ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस. अभी तक इतने हुए हैं.
What did you make of this whole thing that we saw with Sitanshu Kotak? Quite unexpected from Sitanshu Kotak.
Yeah, I mean, it was bizarre. You see the press conference, even Chandresh of Gautam Gambhir in Kolkata. I made it a point to listen to the entire audio clip. He said, we lose as a team, we win as a team. And what did he do? When he was asked about the bowling changes, he threw Rishabh Pant under the bus. I don't think this was just a counter to Saurav Ganguly. It was also a counter to all the other people who have been after the coaching staff. I think Mohammad Kaif also recently came out with a video where he said that how are these appointments made of these batting coaches? How are these appointments made? Because earlier on there used to be a proper process of how coaches are appointed, but nowadays people like Sitanshu Kotak and all, they've just straight away got in without going through a proper rigor.
Pratyush, Gautam Gambhir की हर पीसी scripted होती है. You will find terms like team, individual, intent, character, country, courage, and blah blah blah. Is that true?
पता नहीं, अगर scripted होती है तो he needs a better script writer.
This question about the batting coach, quite unnecessary, like to make it an issue. Dwaipen probably is in a state of conflict because he mentioned Saurav Ganguly, but also his current city mate also is at the center of everything because Mr. Srikanth has also gone after Gautam Gambhir consistently over the last few months. So I can understand his predicament. But for you, what do you think was the reason for?
I don't know. I think it's plain and simple. Mr. Kotak can take a bullet for Gautam Gambhir. That's why he's the batting coach, right? And the few things like it was sheer bravado, as rightly mentioned it. मतलब क्या बोलना है, आप कुछ बोल रहे हो, जबरदस्ती बोल रहे हो कि गौतम के अगेंस्ट एजेंडा है. जब टीम खराब होती है तो बैटिंग कोच के को कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं करता. He threw himself under the bus also, like सब कुछ. And it was very un Sitanshu Kotak kind of press conference. अभी तक इतने हुए हैं. And थोड़ा scripted भी लग रहा था. It looked like that he came prepared, well prepared, well rehearsed. जैसे सूर्या का दुबई वाला, हाँ, मतलब वो सारा लग रहा था स्क्रिप्टेड है. अच्छी सी स्क्रिप्ट आई हुई है.
और स्टीव
स्मिथ मोंटी बने से जो प्री सो वी वर टॉकिंग. So it was like that. I mean, Sitanshu Kotak is known for his good defense, but he played kind of a baseball and काफी careless comment किया. I don't know. I failed to understand whether he was defending Gautam Gambhir or he put Gautam Gambhir in a spot.
Nitin, coming to you first before I go to Gigi. What did you make of this whole thing that we saw with Sitanshu Kotak? Quite unexpected from Sitanshu Kotak.
Yeah, I mean, it was bizarre. You see the press conference, even Chandresh of Gautam Gambhir in Kolkata. I made it a point to listen to the entire audio clip. He said that we lose as a team, we win as a team. And what did he do? When he was asked about the bowling changes, he threw Rishabh Pant under the bus. He said, captain, so whether that also was very convenient from his part to say that nahi, Rishabh Pant ne socha to so here also. And I don't think this was just a counter to Saurav Ganguly. It was also a counter to all the other people who have been after the coaching staff. I think Mohammad Kaif also recently came out with a video where he said that how are these appointments made of these batting coaches? How are these appointments made? Because earlier on there used to be a proper process of how coaches are appointed, but nowadays people like Sitanshu Kotak and all, they've just straight away got in without going through a proper rigor. So I think all this that he spoke today,
the CSC's 2 members are only there. Third member is not there. So
is not there. Yeah. So it's all been it's been a marriage of convenience now for too long, and I think all this was deliberately said to stir the pot and disrupt or distract the attention from the real issue, which is the Indian red ball team.
जीजी सवाल ये है आपसे कि we speaking about Sudhanshu Kotak, but there's still no clarity about your captain Shubman Gill. Those sources, the famous sources of Indian cricket, have already revealed that he's not playing. To add to that, this comment by the batting coach, where do you think this test match is headed now?
नहीं, शुभमन गिल तो नहीं खेलने वाले थे. That was very clear, and that is what I wrote yesterday in my story for TY today. It was very apparent that unless he has 2 net sessions, which he was never going to have, he would not play in the test match, and unless he was 100%, he was not going to play. So what ruled out was the even though the PCI said that he's going there to Guwahati, that was purely his own initiative, and he didn't want to leave any stone unturned in not wanting to play. He's desperate to play, which one can understand. But at this stage, with India losing the series, down the series 1-0. तो ये तो रही शुभमन गिल की बात है. The second part of your question about Kotak, I think Kotak has come through the hard times. ऐसा नहीं है. India एक coach रहे वो for a while. I would not. My problem is that how much is he able to help the batters in this kind of a situation? And here he is just a part of a whole system, wherein the head coach and the captain, in this case purely the head coach, captain तो भी नया ही है, and also injured, is desperate to see turning tracks every time India plays at home. And it's not just him. This was also a problem with Rahul Dravid and Ravi Shastri. Remember, this whole exercise started in 15-16 when Ravi Shastri was the head coach and Virat Kohli was the captain. And then we saw these absolutely mindless turners. And I think Simon Harmer referred to that when he said that this Kolkata pitch is nothing compared to the pitch in Mohali in 2015-16. It broke on the first day itself. So ये last 10 years से जो हो रहा है ना farce India के test season में, this has been going on for too long. But I do believe that things are improving, and I am told that the track in Guwahati will play out in a much better fashion. And now finally the coach has been told that sab aapki nahi chalega when it comes to the wickets, and we need good decent wickets to play on. So hopefully what I've been told comes true, and we see decent wicket at Guwahati, and going on further also next year when we play the BGT and all. That is again hoping against home, but hopefully at Guwahati they will see a decent wicket.
Pratyush, question for you from Sports Highlights 7177. He says, Pratyush, Gautam Gambhir की हर PC scripted होती है. You will find terms like team, individual, intent, character, country, courage, and blah blah blah. Is that true?
पता नहीं, अगर scripted होती है तो he needs a better script writer. तो लगता तो नहीं है कि मुझे तो काफी अनफिल्टर्ड लगता है. एंड वो एक जिस तरीके से आई डोंट नो द वे ही हैज प्लेड क्रिकेट एंड द वे ही इज वेरी ऑब्सेस्ड विद हिज फिलॉसफी. इवन व्हेन ही वाज दिल्लीज कैप्टन, he stopped playing at Kotla, switched Delhi's home games at Rossonara, now banned Rossonara club, जहां पे खेल के उन्मुक्त चंद का करियर खराब हो गया ऑन ग्रीन टॉप. bowlers like Sumit Narwal went on to play India A and all. बहुत सारे और भी थे जो मीठे बॉलर जो इधर नॉर्थ इंडिया में कहते हैं, जो टप्पा पकड़ के डालने वाले, 6 विकेट हॉल 7 विकेट हॉल वाले. बट हाँ, मतलब दिल्ली एंड अप रीचिंग द फाइनल्स, जहाँ पे विदर्भा से हार गई थी. एंड उससे एक सीजन पहले भी अच्छा था. एंड इन दैट सीजन ही वाज सैक्ड एज अ कैप्टन. ऋषभ पंत को कैप्टन बना दिया गया था. तो वो मतलब and even for KKR, LSG, and now we have seen with India also, उनका he is very adamant. वो थोड़ा सा उनका जो एक philosophy है उस पे ही काम करते हैं. And that is also वो उनके इसमें भी आता है press conference में. In Delhi the pitch did well. 5वें दिन तक गया. यहाँ पे he criticized DDCA का curator and all everything कि pitch में carry नहीं था, this and that. Then he went on to defend Eden का pitch. तो आई डोंट नो, मतलब अगर स्क्रिप्टेड होता तो इतने मोर नहीं आते. मतलब तो वो अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट तो होता है, पटकथा अच्छी होती है ना, फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू द बिगनिंग आपको एक पकड़ के रखता है. इधर तो कभी आप अभी चेन्नई जा रहे हो, कभी आप गुवाहाटी चले गए, कभी कैलकाटा घूम गए, फिर बीच में दिल्ली स्टॉप ओवर ले लिया, फिर बॉम्बे आ गया. सो आई थिंक इफ अगर स्क्रिप्ट है तो scripted है तो he needs a better script writer.
Is it true Sai is replacing Gill and NKR is replacing Aksar in the second test?
Sai is replacing Gill and NKR is replacing who?
Aksar.
Aksar didn't bowl today. Aksar bowled a lot less, hardly bowled when the top order was batting. So there could be a chance because eastern part of the country, maybe a little bit of movement. Aksar, I see it. Aksar is probably a better batter. Like when if it's a small game, that is, if it's a tight game where it's 150, 175 game, then Aksar is mentally a stronger player. But yes, today Aksar bowled much less, didn't bat in the first 2.5 hours of Indian practice. NKR was bowling a lot, but he also didn't bat for the first 2.5 hours. And Sai, I think Washington, they will stick with Washington at number 3 if Gill doesn't play, and they will probably play Sai at 6. That is what I felt from the practice, the way the batting order happened and all that. They will try a new position for Sai and see if it kind of works out. I'm not sure because it's all from practice and I'm not getting it from sources, but that's what I felt from practice.
Ujjwal Maurya has a question. He's saying, ये अगरकर डोमेस्टिक मैचेस क्यों नहीं देखने जाते? इंडिया में तो अकेला छोड़ दो टीम को.
अभी this entire domestic Ranji season is very depleted. Tough. I mean, हमने कल भी we spoken about it. Like the best current crops are either playing A और इंडिया अभी तो इमर्जिंग भी चले गए. So अभी नहीं जाते तो हो सकता है वो चेयरमैन ऑफ सेलेक्टर है, उन्हें टीम के साथ ही जाना है, ओडीआई का भी देखना है, ओडीआई का भी सिलेक्शन है. देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स जो हमें नहीं दिखती, जो मे बी दैट इज गोइंग ऑन बिहाइंड द सीन. सो मे बट अदर सेलेक्टर्स जो है, आई मीन आई थिंक अदर्स आर गोइंग. 2 का तो मुझे मालूम है, बाकी मतलब हाँ, बट जाते हैं यार मैच देखने के लिए.
Then Pushpawati is again very angry with you like she was yesterday. She's again spent 100 rupees to show her anger. She's saying, Nitin, what insecurities? Really? Don't create false narrative. Really? How many changes he made in test squad? He did not make more than 4 to 5 changes every match.
So she's saying 4 to 5 changes every match is fine. That's what.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I really hope that the 100 rupees are better spent.
Why we suddenly lose all the home test matches just after one guy entered that dressing room?
No, I don't agree to that. We lost in Rahul Dravid also. We lost in Indore. We lost the test match. This whole approach only is faulty. See, you started a game. You started a game where initially you were dominating that game. 15-16 से start हो गया था with Virat and Shastri. Then it kept on. You kept playing that game. There were times when there were good wickets also under Kumble one season. There was a bad wicket in. ऐसा नहीं है. Even in Kumble's coaching, there was a bad wicket in Indore, in Pune, where Steve Smith scored a brilliant second innings 100. And I remember lunch के पहले ball square. I think first over से ही spinner डाल रहे थे. That match also you lost in 2.5 days, and then you came back in the series on much better wickets. I mean, the Bengaluru one wasn't great, but Dharamshala was great. So ऐसा नहीं है. You've lost your skill against even half-baked spinners, even half-decent spinners on these tracks has gone down. But it is your refusal to learn from the past mistakes and make decent tracks that is costing this thing. And I think with Gautam, the problem is that he's showing a bull-headed approach. And he's not, and really the BCCI bosses should also look into it कि हम क्यों कोच को बार-बार कोच और कैप्टन को हम लोग ये विकेट्स इस तरह के दे रहे हैं and spoiling our home test season. It has become a joke really. 10 दिन का वो मैचेस शेड्यूल करते हो आप 4 दिन खत्म. You can actually play 5-6 test matches in this period. अगर ऐसी क्रिकेट खेलनी है आपको तो you can play a 5 test series against West Indies, 5 test series against South Africa, 10 test मैच हो जाएंगे आपके. ठीक है ना? तो like that. So and you're actually now others have started mastering that game. It's very simple. It's in all walks of life. You initially the Sandhawala team struggled. then they realize कि कैसे इसको वो करना है. South Africa is riding a wave already. They've won the WTC final. A lot of good players are coming through. And I believe that I think Nakwe or somebody had come in 2018 in South African cricket. And तब से I was told by somebody in the South African board who was recently here for the T20 Women's ODI World Cup. So she was telling me that there are a lot of good things that have happened to South African cricket since then. So they have worked. I mean, they also have a problem with their with wickets in the international home season, the test wickets. You know, they're also not doing a great job at it. But still, I think we need to improve badly in this department. Unless we don't make better pitches, this thing is going to keep going. And batsmen आके जाते रहेंगे. It started with Pujara, Rahane, Rohit and Virat sinking. It will now stretch to KL Rahul, Yashasvi Jaiswal, and your next lot, Sai Sudarshan, and so on and so forth. Unless you don't improve your approach, I don't see, because Bhagwan bhi nahi khel sakta wicket. I mean, Bavuma scored half century. You had one half century in the entire match. That's not how a test cricket should be played. Simple as that.